Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vijaya Bhaskar from Aster RV Hospital. Today on the occasion of World Hearing Day, which falls on 3rd of March, it is a very important day because just think about the beautiful sounds, the sound of your mother, the sound of your father, or the sound of your children, or the sound of the beautiful nature, like the chirping of birds or the sound of the waves, or think of a beautiful song. Today, on the occasion of World Hearing Day, we are not here to just to celebrate the sound. We are concerned about millions of people where the sounds is slowly fading away. As per the World Health Organization, by 2050, there will be 2.5 billion people who will have some amount of hearing loss or a complete hearing loss. And this is preventable. You see, we live in a world which is louder than ever. Imagine the traffic sound, imagine the construction work sound, and lot of our youngsters are using earpods. We take it for granted until the hearing loss becomes permanent or significant. The theme of this year is changing the mindset of the people. People think if they want to wear a hearing aid, they feel old. It has become a social stigma, but they don't have any hesitation wearing glasses. See, hearing is also as important as vision. At Aster RV Hospital, it is our endeavor to make you all undergo screening on Sunday, which falls on 1st of March. And since it is a holiday, I want maximum number of people to get screened to find out any hearing loss so that we can treat you early, so that you can prevent from further hearing loss and prevent from further deterioration of hearing. Thank you all.